So I have 3 locked screens, a tulip one, a retro Game Boy one, and a 3D star one, but the tulip one doesn't have a matching wallpaper and it has no widgets, so that's literally all it is, as you can see. But the Game Boy Advance one's a bit more interesting. So it has an alarm off one, which I'll use loads when I'm back at school. Now the way that I link my wallpaper and my lock screen, as you can see, I have a little GIF that rotates, I have my calendar, I have a tulip widget, and then I have my apps, WhatsApp, YouTube Studio and Pinterest with kind of a cute little star theme. I want my GIF to rotate for you, but it's not. So the way that I link this to my lock screen, how do I get back to my lock screen? There we go. The way that I link this to my lock screen is through the focus tab. So I have a star one for the Game Boy Advance. I feel like I didn't do the matching as well as I should, but I like how it turned out, and maybe I'll change it because I feel like it's slightly irritating. And then I have this other star one for my other star wallpaper. So when I press this star, it links to this wallpaper, and then when I press this star, oh whoops, did I just break it? No, let's not delete it. When I press, why is this not working? Okay, well when I slide here, it goes into this star, and I just need to put it on this star focus. I have a different font, I have a week counter, which is quite motivating, I have my Duolingo reminder, and I have a little picture, and I love this wallpaper. All my wallpapers and lock screens are from Pinterest. And then when I swipe up, it links to this wallpaper.